The American photographer and environmentalist Ansel Easton Adams was born in San Francisco in February 20, 1902. In his youth, he visited Yosemite National Park for the first time, and he wrote of his first view of the valley. The splendor of Yosemite burns upon us, and it was glorious. One wonder after another descended upon us. There was light everywhere. A new era began for me. During this travel, his father gave his first camera and he took his first photo. In this moment, he started his passion for photography. In 1919, Adams joined at the Sierra Club in Yosemite Valley, which was vital to his early success as a photographer. In 1922, the club's bulletin published his first photographs and writings, and he did his first exhibition in 1928 at the club's San Francisco headquarters. In 1934, he had been elected as one director of the club and was established as the artist of Sierra Nevada and defender of Yosemite. The year of 1927 was the decisive year of Adams' career because he made his first fully visualized photograph and he took his first high trip. Also, he met Albert Blender, a San Francisco insurance magnate and patron of arts and artists. The Albert's influence, encouragement, and sponsorship was essential to boost Anselm's career. Albert was responsible for encouraging the arrangement and publication of Adams' first portfolio, called Parmelian Prints of the High Sierras, in 1927. Between 1929 and 1942, Adams worked in developing his reputation. He increased his repertoire with focused large forms, like natural monuments and landscapes, such as Grand Canyon, Yosemite Valley, and Yellowstone National Park. Because of his legacy, he is known as a man of American landscape photography. Using his iconic black and white images, Adams developed one photography technique called the zone system, which is a system for envisioning the values to appear in a black and white print and for determining exposure and development, based on a scale of shades ranging from black to white. These aspects can be noticed at his notable photographs Monolith, The Face of Half Dome, Tetons and Snake River, and Moon and Half Dome. Monolith, The Face of Half Dome was taken at Yosemite National Park in 1927. This picture was the first famous picture taken by Ansel Adams. In this picture, the giant granite slab rises from the snow, and on top of the dome, a dusting of more snow creates a slim line that separates its silhouette from the sky. Tetons and Snake River was taken at Grand Teton National Park in 1942. This is one of the most famous and popular photos of the American Western landscape, and exhibits depth of field with rich tonal variation. Adams took this picture with pure black and white tones into his image, and it also boasts a wide range of middle tones. In this photo, the wealth of detail and tonal of the snow-capped mountains is balanced against the width of the Snake River, making a perfect S-curve composition. Moon and Half Dome was taken at Yosemite National Park in 1960. In this photo, the moon hovers bright against a dark yet strangely transparent cosmos. The side light that hits the rock mass highlights the unevenness of the surface, while at the same time creating a graphic and relief style expression. The cliff in the foreground is like a black silhouette. The shadow is also black. One more time, the contrast of black and white is remarkable. Finally, Ansel's works will define how we see and experience the American West. He showed and promoted the American landscapes, and in conjunction he boosted the preservation of these places, especially Yosemite National Park. Also, he changed the photography world forever when he invented the zone system.